Hello, I'm Jason. I've decided to give up the resto part of DieCastRestos. I've become disillusioned with the entire hobby. It's just too time consuming. But I enjoy making these videos, so as a compromise, I've decided to rebrand as DieCastRestos. I'll cut out the restorations entirely. I have arranged to have 1/64 model parts shipped to me directly from the production line in China. Then I'll be able to build the kits and show them off to you. This ticks many boxes. 1, it's quicker. 2, it's cheaper for me. And 3, I still get to make DieCastRestos videos. So to kick things off, today you lucky people get to see 4, yes that's right, 4 models all at once. This is unprecedented for this channel, and a sign of things to come. So without further ado, this is the first of the 4, a 2008 Porsche Cayman S. These kits are made by 12 Paragraph and are called 4D puzzle models. I mean, these instructions aren't anything I'm not used to when I was rebuilding restored castings in days of old. So I'll do away with them and open up the bags. These will be quick builds, but I'll try to squeeze in some real car details and history. So, Cayman, introduced 2005. It's the coupe version of the Boxster. The 2008 car is a 987 model. This is a copy of the facelifted version which came out in 2008. The 987 generation ran until 2012. They came with either a 2.9 litre or 3.4 litre flat 6 power unit, the S receiving the 3.4. That's all the time I have for history though, as I fit the windscreen, fit the interior piece, and then push fit the base. One done. Next. 2009 BMW M3. Let's get this out of the bag and take a closer look. Ooh, bit of a misprint on that grille tampo. But let's forget that, probably just a 1 in a million error. So, history. The M3 was first introduced in 1986 with the Performance E33 series. The 2009 M3 is based on the E90 platform and, looks like we're on to our next casting already. Maybe I need to lose some words and punctuation to get through these. So, Dodge Magnum SRT, 2008. First introduced 1978. Then produced in Brazil, then Mexico until 1988. Disappeared until 2005. Reintroduced as Chrysler LX platform station wagon. SRT8 was high performance version with 6.1 litre Hemi engine. Was cancelled in 2008 and hasn't been seen since. I mean, that wasn't the most comprehensive history, but I think I got the main points across. But there we have it, 3 out of 4 models done. Finally, we have a 2008 Porsche Cayman B. I assume the B printed on the base represents the facelifted version. Regardless, it was introduced in 2002. It was the first off-road Porsche since their tractors of the 1950s and the first 4-door Porsche. It had its facelift in 2008 before it was replaced by the 958 platform 2nd gen in 2010. The 3rd generation became available in 2018. And with that, the 4th and final casting has been assembled. Now here are the models I started out with in all their high quality glory. This will be a regular scene on the new look DieCastRestos. I might have to reconsider my car history cramming, but I can adapt my style as time goes on. But how much more effective has this been? So much quicker. Yeah, so I'm not all that convinced on the Cayman. The others I'm sure will look a lot better. The ride height doesn't suit the car in brutal honesty. Also, the quality of the finish on the body of the casting is a bit lacking. I'm not sure the Cayman had a big black diffuser like this seems to have, where the plastic base connects to the body. But anyway, onwards and upwards with the next model. That looks more like it on the M3, nice side profile. Oh, ugh, that front end though, with its wonky grille and horrible black plastic bumper. I'm starting to think my supplier's quality control isn't wonderful. The cast bodies look fairly decent, but when you put the puzzle pieces together, it all falls apart. Not literally, at least they stay connected. So maybe the Dodge Magnum is an improvement. On the face of things, the Magnum looks alright. The side profile is okay. The front end detailing is a bit slapdash, but for a budget diecast, it isn't all that surprising. So maybe we have a winner here. It looks reasonable scale wise, but oh god, what is that? It was all looking fairly good, but that chunk of plastic is a total disaster. What a mess. All hope lies with the Cayenne then. Scale is immediately off, those wheels are too small. And another disgraceful base. Ugh, the less said the better. Well, hit that like button if you'd never like to see me do this again. And be sure to subscribe to be the first to see all of my April releases. All that leaves me to say is thanks for watching that pain, and I'll see you again for the next one. Maybe. Bye bye.